Assalamu alaikum children. How is everyone? I know you have your exams and Ramadan as well. I hope you are coping with both easily. May Allah bless you with success of both the worlds. Are you feeling excited to enter the second half of Ramadan and then the third half of Ramadan, in which we are going to get the most beautiful night of the entire Ramadan, the Laylatul Qadr, inshallah. So before we begin, all praise is due to Allah and His Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Today we are going to discuss the 11th hadith and the 11th story along with it. I hope you love all the stories that I have been narrating since we began. Raise your hand if you are memorizing all the hadiths that we have discussed so far. My love to you and my salam to all of your parents who are working hard for your future in this world and the hereafter. Love them with all your heart and serve them with all your strength. So today's hadith states, I guarantee that anyone who does not fight or argue, even when provoked, shall be given a mansion in paradise. In Arabic, it goes, مَنْ تَرَكَ الْمِرَاءَ وَهُوَ مُحِقُّ بُنِيَ لَهُ فِي وَسَطِ الْجَنَّةِ. Riwayah Tirmidhi. So without any further ado, let's see what it has to say. Nihat was a very naughty child. He used to hurt his brothers. He was always quarreling and was very rude. His behavior upset his mother terribly. She would always advise him, Dear, don't hurt other people's feelings. Don't say rude things to people. But Nihat would never admit that he was wrong. He would say, It's not my fault. I haven't done anything wrong. They made me angry, which made me behave like that. One day his mother told him that if he didn't quarrel with anyone until evening, she would buy him a belt that he had seen in a shop window. He really wanted that belt. His brothers overheard what his mother had said and tried to pick an argument with him, but they couldn't make him angry. Nihat had decided to control himself for once. In the evening, his mother called him. I see that you can control yourself for a belt. You should go do this for Allah, as this is what He ordered, not for simple material things. If only someone had told Nihat the following hadith by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that I guarantee that anyone who does not fight or argue, even when provoked, shall be given a mansion in paradise. That was such a beautiful lesson for all of us. When we can give up things or we can do something good, expecting a gift in return, then we can definitely do things for our Rabb, who has blessed us in n number of ways. He says in the Quran, you will get tired of counting my blessings, yet you will never be able to count my blessings. So do you want to be the first version of Nihat, or do you want to be the second version of Nihat? So this hadith teaches us that even sometimes if you are right and you know that what you are speaking is haqq, the truth, give up arguing, give up fighting just for the sake of Allah, and you will feel peaceful inside. Sometimes you see adults arguing, but the most wise adult is the one who gives up arguing for the sake of Allah, even if the adult is right. Learn all the good things from those adults and forbid what's bad. I wish we all had that hikmah, that wisdom to follow the hadith of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam with genuineness and true sincerity. May Allah grant us all, because whatever we do on this earth, we have to do it for our Rabb and not for material things. So with that, I'll take your leave, and we shall have another beautiful story and another beautiful hadith in my next episode. Till then, I love you all and enjoy the blessings of Ramadan.